G'day guys, this is the Clearview Tyre Spider. Now this thing has the ability to inflate and deflate 4 tyres at once. Now I did a little video on it and you can watch that on the Clearview website and you can also see it on YouTube. Now I've done something a little bit different with this and installed it into the back of my truck. So what I've got here is I've integrated the Clearview Tyre Spider into this truck's air system. Now the advantage of that is it means I can drop pressures and increase, so I can pump tyres up and drop the air out of 4 tyres on this truck at once. Now what I've done is I've done 4 short little hoses to a connection point close to each tyre, and that is controlled by a series of valves in here off this header tank here, which is part of the Clearview Tyre Spider. So now I'm going to turn the valves open, all the 4 hoses are hooked up, turn the valves on, compressors will fire up and all 4 tyres will go up at once, and I can monitor that from the pressure gauge here. I can also, while I'm doing that, I can put more air in the front or in the back, and I can adjust it around. So if I want to get 40 in the 2 front tyres, I can then stop them once they're 40 using the gauge, and then I can keep pumping the rear to 45 or something like that. So very versatile. I can also let the tyres down if I want to, exactly the same way. I'm very impressed with that.